Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Jeep Grand Cherokee? This is the 2012. This might be it. Stock number is T20447A. Let's take you on this virtual video walk around, showing you the exterior of this Jeep first. Notice no scratches, no dents, no dings, absolutely flawless. Does have low miles. This Jeep has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Does have the four-wheel disc brakes. It's a 4x4, of course. ABS braking system. Alloy wheels, super nice and clean on the interior here in the rear, as you can see. Ample room for luggage, groceries, whatever you might have. Maybe if you have friends or family traveling with you, look at the ample legroom that this Jeep provides. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Notice all the easy access to all the controls within arm's length. For more information on oil changes for life at no extra cost to you, warranty protection for life at no extra cost for you, or more information on this Jeep or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us. We look forward to answering those questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business and meeting you in person. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.